Are you feeling overwhelmed with your home renovation project that's going on? Hey there, homeowners. I'm Bobby, and with over 30 years of real estate experience in renovating, rehabbing, and new construction, I'm here to help you navigate the often overwhelming world of home renovations. Today, we'll talk about why homeowners get overwhelmed by house renovations and share some actionable tips to turn that around. Plus, I'll briefly mention our online educational course and one-on-one coaching options that can provide even more support. So if you're feeling overwhelmed by your renovation project, stick around. Let's dive in. One of the primary reasons homeowners feel overwhelmed during renovations is a lack of pre-planning. Insufficient planning can lead to unexpected issues that throw your entire project off course. Imagine starting your renovation without a detailed plan. You might run into structural problems to discover that certain materials are out of stock. This can cause delays and additional costs. That's why having a comprehensive plan before starting any renovation is crucial. The prep stage literally sets the stage for everything that happens next. So take time to plan before you take action. And I say this as someone that prefers to frequently dive in as soon as possible. Another major source of stress is not having a clearly defined scope of work. When you don't outline exactly what needs to be done, it can lead to confusion and additional work down the line. To avoid this, make sure you have a clear, comprehensive scope of work from the get-go. It should detail every aspect of the project, from demolition to finishing touches. If you've done the prior step we talked about, then this one is closer to being on target and clear. Remember, the more you know and clearer you are, the better quotes and more affordable pricing you can get from contractors and vendors. Budgeting is often one of the most stressful parts of a renovation. Underestimating costs can quickly lead to financial strain. A detailed budget helps alleviate these worries by giving you a clear picture of what you'll need financially. Make sure to include all possible expenses from materials to labor costs and always add a buffer for unexpected expenses. That's why I love our custom home renovation budget and planning package. We're able to use proprietary software to create a specific budget based on your project details and location. It's so great. It allows a solid understanding of potential costs before you even speak to contractors, so you can adjust early and save you time and avoid going over budget down the road. Next up, poor time management can also be a significant source of overwhelm. Delays are common in renovation projects, but they can be minimized with proper planning. Setting realistic timelines for each phase of the renovation and sticking to them as closely as possible. Whether you're managing the project yourself or hiring a general contractor, aim to visit the site at least once a day to catch small issues before they become big problems. We recommend twice a day if possible. With the endless choices of materials and colors and layouts, it's easy to experience decision fatigue. This can make the renovation process feel even more overwhelming. Creating mood boards can narrow down your options and solidify decision-making process. Prioritize decisions and make them in stages. Focus on one area and set of decisions at a time before you move on to the next. Staged decision-making allows you to focus on one set of decisions at a time instead of being bombarded with choices all at once for all different parts and areas of your project. For example, decide to work on all the major structural changes before picking out paint colors or fixtures. If you work through the decisions along the project path of a home renovation, you'll be able to maintain focus on that one area before moving forward to the next. For example, demo is frequently the first thing that needs to actually be done on the house. So just focus on any and all issues related to successfully completing that. Once you've got that detailed out, move on to the next part of your project. Unforeseen issues like structural problems or outdated wiring can derail even the best laid plans. Flexibility and having a contingency plan are essential for dealing with these surprises. Always expect the unexpected and have backup plans in place. This way, when problems arise, and they will, you will be better prepared to handle them. If something is going to cause a delay, work with your contractors to say, okay, we're going to have a delay here for X amount of days. How can we make up that time? If you've got the right group of contractors and you've worked well with them, they're going to be able to help you generally come up with a plan to catch up on the time that's lost due to this delay. Managing multiple contractors can be another headache. Clear communication is key here. Make sure you have regular updates and establish clear channels for quick communication. The more organized you are in coordinating your contractors, the smoother your project will go. Obtaining necessary permits can be a complex process that adds another layer of stress. Stay informed about local building codes and regulations to avoid any legal hiccups. Research permit requirements early in the planning phase and make sure all paperwork is in order before starting any work. Speak with your contractors and understand which permits they'll be handling and how they're moving through that process effectively. Finally, let's talk about the emotional toll that renovations can take. The constant decision-making, financial strain, and disruption to your daily life can be exhausting. It's important to manage your stress effectively. Take breaks when needed and seek support from friends and family. Remember, it's okay to ask for help. Maintaining balance remains a crucial aspect, ensuring successful project completion that are ultimately achieved without undue strain placed on you, either physically, mentally, emotionally. If you'd like more detailed guidance, check out our online home renovation and remodeling course, as well as our one-on-one coaching options that are listed below. These resources are specifically designed to help homeowners like yourself navigate home renovating and remodeling successfully within budget and have fun doing so along the way. Remember, friends, successful renovations are easy to do with the right structures and knowledge in place beforehand. So don't let overwhelm get the better of you. If you know someone that might like this, please share it. And don't forget to like and subscribe. It means the world to me. Thank you.
Ready to transform your home? Enroll in our renovation course today and start saving on your next project. Visit us at www.netgainrealestate.com.